Today's video is going to be about the Nike Air Max Sunder in the Canyon Gold colorway, and it is set to release on the 11th of July. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a very long time since I've uploaded a video here on YouTube, but I'm here and I'm very excited because today we are going to be talking about the Nike Air Max Sunder. It's been 25 years since these sneakers originally released. I know that we saw the Comme des Garçons collab pair that released in 2022. However, that was a little bit more of a minimalist take on the sneaker, and of course it had the Comme des Garçons price point, so I did not cop a pair, but I'm so happy that Nike has brought these back. This originally released in 1999 as a cross trainer sneaker and it was called Air Sunder Max, so they've changed the name slightly because now it is called Air Max Sunder. Sorry, I'm just looking at the box here. And I find myself calling it Air Sunder a lot, perhaps because I'm a 90s kid and I definitely remember these coming out. Just looking at the design of the sneaker, you can definitely tell that it was very off that time. I feel like Nike was going for this somewhat dynamic, futuristic look, and now it's just seen as like a Y2K aesthetic, but I really love how it looks. And of course, this is the Canyon Gold colorway. We'll definitely be seeing this silhouette in a lot more colorways this year, and I'm particularly looking forward to the highlighter pink color, so I'm definitely going to cop that when it does release. But let's get into the details. Starting off with the upper of the sneaker, it is constructed with a lycra spandex material, and it is in this really nice gradient orange yellow color, which is really vibrant, and I personally really like it. In contrast, we have a black mud guard, and on top of that we have these perforated TPU paneling, and they are also reflective as well, and you guys know I love me some reflective details. And of course we have the zipper on the sneaker, and inside you'll find this internal fit system, and it's more like a little sock liner. You'll also see that there are some laces underneath, so it just comes with your standard flat lace in a navy colorway, and there's also pull tabs here on the tongue as well as the heel of the sneaker, just to help you get the sneakers on and off. So underneath the laces you can see the Nike branding as well as 6453, and if you guys didn't know, 6453 is the last 4 digits of the Nike's phone number to their headquarters in Oregon as well as their European headquarters in the Netherlands. Also 6453 spells out Nike on like the phone dialing pad, which I think is a really fun detail that I just learned recently. So I hope you guys, maybe you guys already knew that. I just realized that like when I was researching about the sneaker, but I thought it was such a fun little detail. And I'm wondering whether they have 6453 on any other sneakers, or maybe I've just never really noticed it. Anyway, moving on to the midsole. It has the visible air sole in the heel as well as the forefoot of the sneaker, and it definitely feels very comfortable on feet. I was actually looking at Eastbay's catalog listing from 1999, and they called this an aggressive lug outsole, and as you can see, it is definitely a very grippy outsole, so I guess aggressive is the word to describe this. There's also the little Nike Air branding here to show you that there is indeed the Nike Air technology in the sneaker. In terms of sizing, I would say that these fit true to size. So I'm typically a men's US 6 or a women's 7.5, and I've tried my true to size and they fit really good because it has the inner sock liner as well as the laces and the zip. When you have it all done up together, it is quite a snug fit but not uncomfortable in any way. The inner sock liner is actually quite stretchy, so you definitely don't feel restricted in any way, and I feel like with wear it may give a little bit, but I do prefer my sneakers to be a little bit more on the roomier side. That is why I went for a half size up, but I've asked a few people around me and they have all said true to size. I always love to get opinions from other people because I feel like everyone likes their sneakers to fit differently. currently, but based on the feedback that I've gotten, it's safe to say that these fit true to size. Another thing that I want to note is that this is considered as a women's release, and I only say that because you have to keep that in mind with the sizing. So even though it is a women's release, it is definitely a unisex sneaker, so they will have this in extended sizes. Just pay attention to the sizing when you're trying to cop online. Some websites do list them in the US women's sizing, and I just want to make sure that you guys get your right size, because I have been one of those people that like get too excited and I just always have my men's US sizing in mind. So there's been times where I've copped my wrong size, so just keep that in mind. If you know your men's US sizing, you just have to add 1.5 to it to get your women's US sizing. So for example, if you're a men's US 9, then you'll be a women's 10.5. But yeah, just pay attention to the sizing. If you have wider feet, you could consider going half a size up as well. I find that when I have the laces done up as a bow, like, you know how you normally have sneakers done up, if I have like a bow here on the center, I have some trouble trying to zip it up entirely because there's too much bulk here on the top of my foot. So the way that I've been wearing it is that I just have the ends of the laces tucked into the sneaker, but I've also been going with the half zip look, which I feel like looks pretty good. But either way, you could wear it zipped up, undone, it all looks good either way, I think. You can also just entirely take off the laces, because I mean, if you want it to be very snug and secure, the laces definitely do help. To me, this kind of just feels like a slip-on sneaker, but overall, I absolutely love how these look on feet, and they're really, really comfortable, so I would highly recommend. These retail for 250 Australian dollars, and I'll make sure to leave a link below so that you guys can cop this on the 11th of July. But yeah, guys, I think that is pretty much it for me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's been a very long time since I've done a sneaker review, but I hope you guys enjoyed it anyway. And if you're new here, I hope you subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know in the comments below if you're going to be copying the Amex Sunders, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!